sure I edit out the beginning part. Anyway, this one's for you, Danny. You said I never showed you the car. Well, I'm not showing you yet. I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to turn the camera around here. And if you look right up there, see that thing? That's the front of a Mark 1 Austin Mini. It hangs right above my workbench. I'm waiting for it to rip off and break. That's one of the mini parts I have left. I will also show you. Wait, where is it? See that right? Wait, where is it? Right here. That's the back of an Austin Mini pickup truck, 1 1/4 panels. And if you look way up there, I have a back end, or not, that's a front end of an Austin Mini, which is going on that barbecue that I'm going to make out of that front end. So that's what I got for you so far. Some mini parts. Anyway, thanks for watching.